The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Stay, watch the videos that I make. If you like it, then subscribe and also click the bell icon right next to it. Today's video is an addition to my ongoing series which is called A Beginner's Guide to Drawing Mandala, and I will link the whole playlist on the I button here or here, spot it wherever it is. And I know mandalas look complicated, but if you follow and try, practice it step by step, then you will gain confidence and you will understand that it's a piece of cake, and then you can also give tutorials like me. So without blabbering much, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so I'm starting by prepping the canvas. As you can see, I have a white sheet here, and honestly at this point I'm very bored with white because I've made so many designs on white and I wanted to do something colorful. I had no idea. As you can see, I'm just playing with colors and I ended up making an ombre effect. So my advice to you is that if you opt for a colorful background like me, please just have fun and let it flow, because if you're not having fun, then you're not making art, my friend. And with that being said, let's get started with the mandala design. My first tip to you is map out your design with pencil like I have done. You can see that I've mapped out my design with a pencil first and then I'm going in with the marker. At this point, I would also like to advise you to make your designs freehand and not with the help of a ruler or any measurement tool or compass or something like that. I mean, you can take help of rulers to just to see if the lines are straight or if the circle is round enough, but I suggest you to do freehand drawing because then you can have a command over your hand gesture and doodling style and doodling design. Well, the video is pretty self-explanatory, but I will be guiding you with the tips and tricks that helped me while I was starting with doing mandalas. The very basic thing is to practice a lot. If you see the first video of this series, I have shown you every step, every doodle pattern separately. And if you follow that video step by step, you will get over the very first hurdle of getting started. So imitate all the step-by-step videos that you can find online and first practice it with pencil or pen, whatever you're comfortable in holding. And by practicing and imitating the design that people show you or teach you, you will soon be able to create your own design of mandalas. There are a lot of variations that you can do with mandalas. There's not just one type of thing that you keep drawing on a paper. In previous video I showed you a dot art made on a canvas and it was very easy to do. So you just need to get a hang of the basic thing and the basic practice, after which you can create a lot of variation. And you can see that I'm not really using ruler or something like that to measure, but I'm eyeballing it because of the practices that I've been telling you this whole time to do. So when you reach this stage, you will also be able to eyeball it like I am doing it here. And if you noticed, even without rulers, I'm making intervals to where I want a leaf or flower design, where I want it to start, where I want it to end. So that's very important to do, because if you don't do that, the whole design and all your hard work will mess up. So I started by using black markers and I also included white paint because the background is colorful. Now I'm going to extend this design till here. So this is my main design, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to extend it till up there by making flower petal doodles and small doodles. I'm going to skip this part and fast forward it because you can follow it easily by looking at the last picture. So sorry for the lighting, it suddenly started raining.
One eternity later.
Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful. us through.
I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up that you see down there, and please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Please comment down below if you like the video, or if you don't like it, or if you have any suggestions that I should do. By the way, I'm coming up with a must Diwali video next week, so stay subscribed, and yeah, bye.